Make a great choice today with the 2016 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, running boards, traction control, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, hands-free communication, MP3 playback stereo. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.